How to fix Western Union error code C2002. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps and how you can fix Western Union error code C202. Well, in order to verify or fix the issue, we'll have to first verify the cause for it. Western Union error code C2002 often indicates an issue with confirming your identity or verifying the information you have provided or with your source of funds. So the common cause for it might be identity verification problems, incomplete or inconsistent information, issues with source of funds, and also unverified documents. Now how you can fix it? To fix it, you want to double check your information. Carefully review all the details you entered during the transaction, including your name, address, and any other required information. You might also want to provide additional documentation. If necessary, you may need to provide additional documentation such as valid ID or proof of address to facilitate the verification. If you are unable to resolve the issue yourself, you can contact Western Union Customer Support Service for assistance. If you have the particular error, you can retake your transfer or contact customer service either ways. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.